tell her the truth, medieval like no now no ghetto people. Every day is a fucking war, you're down there so evil. If them not set your house on fire when them catch your vehicle.
Yeah, I mean, okay, you man say DevinDiDakta is the most talented dancehall artist currently. Yeah. The only other artist who I enjoy as much as DevinDiDakta is Governor. And the reason why I say that is the talent. When I listen to them two artists there, I feel like them love the art. I feel like them love music. I feel like they are making art. I feel like they're putting their soul into it. I feel like them actually think about what them write down and think about what them perform say. Genuinely, DevinDiDakta is the most talented artist to me out there in the dancehall right now. You can disagree if you want. Sadly, talent alone not get you far in Jamaica. Because especially given I was having a discussion this morning with someone close to me, and the time when our Corey Tad and him getting the altercation and then he beat him up, that's some belt argument coming on in it and thing. I don't remember the exact thing, but I know him and Corey Tad getting at something. I think I was at a taboo club and some beat up the go on, right? Sadly, in Jamaica, it's better if DevinDiDakta they beat a woman than if he get beat up by a man. Yeah, honestly. If DevinDiDakta they beat up a woman or beat up a next man and shoot somebody, something, his career would have been further than it is right now. But nonetheless, he is to me one of the best, most talented artists out there. But yeah, those are my thoughts. What are yours?